Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix we were unable to successfully update because a file is currently in use for Valorant. So here's what you're gonna do. First, you want to go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, you want to go to Windows Update. Now click here. If you don't see here download and install, you want to click here check for updates, and it will scan for the latest Windows updates. And once it finds them, you want to install them and restart your PC to apply the changes. After you apply the changes and install the latest Windows update, you want to relaunch the game and see if that fixed it. If it didn't fix it, the next thing you want to do is open a new Chrome tab and type in Rewan installer. I'll link it down below, and you want to download the free version. So you go to product and then click free version, and once you download it, you want to run it. So open the Rewan installer, let it load. After it's loaded, you want to type in here Riot, and you want to find Riot Vanguard. You want to right click on it, click uninstall. Don't make the restore point. Now click continue. It will analyze all of it. You want to click here yes, and you want to make sure the scanning is set to advanced, and it will uninstall and scan all the backlogs and all the files that Valorant or Vanguard leaves behind. This might take a minute. After it's done, you can now click scan here, and it will scan all the files that it left behind. And now you simply click select all and delete. And if anything is left behind, you want to click again, select all and delete. And after it's deleted, it will exit out of this, which means that it deleted all the traces of the Riot Vanguard. You want to exit out of this. Now you want to open your Riot client. Once the Riot client opens, you want to go to Valorant and click here update, which will install the Vanguard again. Click here yes, and let it install the Vanguard. This might take a minute also. And after it's done installing, it will say here your game requires a system restart. Don't restart your PC just yet. Exit out of this. Go to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in services.msc. Click OK. Now in here, you want to press somewhere here, press the V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it. Switch the startup type from manual to automatic. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this. Now go back to search, type in system configuration. Open it. Go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services. Scroll all the way down till you find Riot Games Inc. VGC. You want to untick this, take it back again, click apply, click OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC for the things to take effect. And you want to click restart. And after you restart your PC, your game should work properly, and you should be able to update your game properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix we were unable to successfully update because of a file is currently in use for Valorant. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.